Hello everyone, I'm Grace. Welcome back. As you know that ZWO has a new EQ mode for all Seestar S30 and Seestar S50. Many of our friends is asking suitable chapter and chapter mount for EQ mode. Today I will show you one set. You can see this one. This is the carbon fiber chapter max load 8 kgs. This is the chapter mount max load 8 kgs. And you can see there is a tube. There is a tube. And in this way, this tube can adjust the Seestar to any degree you want. For some area, maybe you need 45 degree. For some area, maybe you need 40 degree. It depends on the area you live. Don't worry, your app will tell you how much degree you need to bend. But the problem is your chapter amount and the chapter mount and your chapter is stable enough. I will show you like this one. Maybe you need this one. If you this degree, you just lock it. Okay. If you want this degree, it's also okay, no problem. Maybe if you want to be, as you know, that it is almost 0 degree, it's also okay, it's very stable. You can see this one, any degree is okay. And it's very easy, you can adjust it and watch your app to say it's enough or not enough. You can back a little, if enough, then lock it. See, there's a lock it is okay. Let me show you this one. There is a quick release plate. The quick release plate can mount to Seestar, so you can take off it and mount it very easy. And there is screw. You mount this chapter mount to chapter. The screw. This screw is connecting with the chapter, and this is carbon fiber chapter. You can fold it. It is very light and easy to carry because you can make the legs back, then it will be very light. Okay, so you can see this way. It is very short and easy to carry. Thank you.